Hey there, welcome to the Adultish channel, where we'll be discussing everything related to adult life. You may feel very anxious and nervous about this new chapter. This is the case of many around the world. I read somewhere that adults are just obsolete children, and the hell with them. Dr. Seuss. Somehow this made me laugh. I understood that there were no manual really on how to transition in life. School, university don't truly teach us about the things that matter. For most of us, our parents used scare tactics to dissuade us from behaving badly. Others rely on friends and use them as a barometer that will somehow dictate them how to be. I want to share with you 5 things I learned about adulthood so far. Number 1, there's no blueprint. Hear me out. Here is what no one really tells you. There is not an actual benchmark for building your life. There are set rules depending on the society you live in that dictate whether you are successful or not. You get to choose if you want to abide by them or not. Nothing is guaranteed, they don't tell you that. You may spend your life in university and hope to get a great job, the job of your dreams, only to be disappointed. You may choose not to go to higher ed and still do better in life. It is not one or the other. How many times have you talked to somebody that looks like they have done well in life and you think they can help you figure out your own? They don't know. They just don't know sometimes how they got to the level they are at. Here's the thing. You choose, you decide, you lay out the plan for your life, independent of what the status quo says. You spend time with yourself and figure out what matters the most to you. Number 2. Age is truly just a number. Just because you are 18, 21, 25, that does not mean that your level of maturity commensurate with that age. Some of us are 28 years old with a teenager mindset trapped in this body. Have you ever asked yourself what it meant to be an adult really? Some of us are just winging it, hoping not to screw up and make our parents proud. Does being an adult mean paying bills, not being interested in the things that we loved when we were teenager? Does it mean setting up our own doctor appointments? I know for some we are not ready for the responsibilities that lie ahead. We still display childish behavior. We are just not ready. We haven't outgrown our old ways yet and reached wisdom. Number 3. Parenting yourself is the most difficult thing, yet the most determining factor in your success. Think about when you were a kid. Your parents woke you up to go to school, they fixed your lunch. They set up your schedule. You went to college and your teacher told you what to do, your parents still supporting you in some capacity. Once you escape these environments, building new habits and parenting yourself can get difficult. Doing the adult thing of motivating ourselves and doing the right thing while no one is watching can get challenging. We may not have our friends with us to cheer us up, our parents or the people we looked up to may be far away from us. It is hard to push yourself, be your own cheerleader, be honest, and even scold yourself, as a parent would when you mess up. Number 4. Mental roadblocks, if left unchecked, can derail your life. I am talking about all kinds of mental roadblocks, mental health issues, compulsive behaviors, negative impulses that can threaten our very existence, hinder us for reaching our full potential. We can act as if nothing is wrong with us, but we are oozing insecurity, and our actions are symptomatic of bigger problems. It's up to our discretion in terms of how we choose to deal with these issues in our lives. We all agree that we can't go on like that any longer. To say the opposite is lying to ourselves and robbing ourselves of a brighter future. Nothing surpasses inner peace. That I know for sure. Number 5. You can only pretend for so long. We were literally born with the internet at our fingertips. Social media came on and influenced how we see the world. Now this is not one of the typical ditch social media rant. What I am really focusing on is truly what we feel on the inside versus what we portray to the world. This is sort of related to number 4. I am talking about the dichotomy of who we are in our everyday lives versus our attempt to display perfection online. This is a sort of cover-up, believing our own lies, and it is only a matter of time when reality catches up to us. I am talking about the fake smile, the pretending to be super happy, and having a blast on the timeline, lurking and envying people we don't even know. Meanwhile we are insecure, anxious and neurotic, our lives suck, and we are not having as much fun as they promised us. My suggestion is to find a happy medium and again be honest with ourselves and stop being so conceited. I hope you enjoyed this video, and surely leave in the comments sections down below anything small or big that you have learned so far. No judgment zone, and be kind to each other. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.